My video or creative business would stop if I took 2 weeks off. We talked to so many video agencies and agency owners in this exact same position. If that hit you, keep watching. This is likely you. You're doing all of the sales, all of the admin, all of the client calls, all of the editing, all the revisions, all the delivery, and all of the upsells, and around you go. Now, obviously you know this, but the problem is that you are the bottleneck. The owner is the bottleneck. Everything flows through you, and so when you run out of time, the business doesn't grow anymore. And the better that you get, the worse that this cycle gets. This is the trap. You can't hire, you're too busy to sell, and you can't afford to do any of these things because you're too busy. This ends up costing you a revenue ceiling that you can't break. You get no vacations or very little time off, or you're working on your vacations. You have no systems, and nothing works unless you do. And the problem is that this only gets worse. As you continue to grow your revenue, you eventually reach a ceiling where your hours run out. You literally can't grow the business anymore because you've run out of time that you can work. And here's the math. Let's say you work 60 hours a week times 50 weeks a year. That equals 3,000 hours hard capped every single year that you have to put towards your business. Now, if we take those 3,000 hours times your effective hourly rate, then you hit your revenue ceiling because you only have this many hours. It's a finite amount of time. And then eventually you cap out and you wonder why you're super busy, you're exhausted, and you're not making as much money as you want. The truth is that you're not running a business, you have a job. And while you're stuck in fulfillment, you can't build systems that someone else can run, hire and train A-player talent to replace you, sell at the volume that actually grows your business, or take time off without everything breaking and falling apart. Now, here's the exit. I am going to show you the solution to this. Before, let's say your revenue before was up and down. After you implement this system, you'll be able to actually scale revenue. Before, you were working 60 hours a week. Now you've gotten that down to 20 to 30 hours a week. Before, it was just you, and then after, we have actual A-player people who are better than you in each area running your business for you. Here's the step-by-step plan on what you need to do. Number one, you need to package and price a retainer-based offer. You need to stop quoting projects because they're inconsistent, and you need to build a repeatable, productized package, something that you can repeat and sell over and over and over again. This is key. And the very, very key part of this is you need to have 70 to 80% gross profit margins on this package, meaning that if you sell a $10,000 package, it should only cost you $2,000 to actually fulfill on that package. This way, you have room to grow and room to hire people to do the job for you. This is a big, big mistake that a lot of agencies make. They price things based off of what they think they should charge, not what they actually have to charge to be able to grow. And then they're left doing all the work themselves because they can't afford to hire someone to do it for them. Sound familiar? Then number two, we need to convert clients so then we can hire our first A players. We need to pitch and close 2 to 3 retainers, ideally to our existing client base, people who will already pay us, so we can get some cash in the door so we can start hiring these A players. And we use that margin to pay for these new hires. Then finally, number three, we need to build an inbound system so we can actually step back from our business. We launch ads, we hire a salesperson to take those calls, we fill their calendar, they close deals, and then rinse and repeat. This is how you get out of this cycle that you are trapped in where you're doing everything yourself and you build a real business. And we've worked with 800 plus agency owners to do exactly this. So if you want our help, I put together a short video on the next page breaking this entire thing down, and there's a short application to fill out if you want to work with us to have us help you do this for you. And hopefully you got some value out of this video.